the perimeter of this shape, which is a square, when given the measurements in algebraic form, and the area is 144 centimeters squared. Now, first of all, we have to find the value of x. And you know, area of a square is equals to side length, or L squared, which is equals to 144 centimeters squared. Now, for us to find the value of x, we multiply x plus 4 squared, because it is still L, we equate it to 144. Now, x squared, which is x plus 4 times x plus 4, is equals to 144. We open the brackets by multiplying this x times this part plus 4 times this part, and equate it to 144. Now, x squared, after opening the brackets, is x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16 is equals to 144. Now, next thing, we add this x like terms together. It will be x squared plus 4 plus 4, which is 8x plus 16. And when we bring this 144 into the other side, it will be a negative, because in this side it is positive. So it will be minus 144 is equals to 0. Now, this is an algebraic equation. Now, next we find the value of x. It is x squared plus 8x minus 128 is equals to 0. We find the value of x using quadratic formula, okay? Now, it says x is equals to negative b plus or minus the b square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, we find the values of a, b, and c. And you know the value of a is the coefficient of x squared, the value of b is the coefficient of x, which is 8, and the value of c is the last part, the constant, which is negative 128. Now, those are the values that we have. We replace them in the formula. X is equals to negative 8, which is negative b, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 8 here. 8 squared minus 4 times 1, which is a, times negative 28, which is the value of c. Now, you have to remember to carry the negative with you as you replace it here, because the constant carries a negative. Now, you divide by 2 times 1, the value of a. Now, it will be negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared, it is 64, plus 4 times 128 is 512. But you have to remember it is negative 4 times negative 128. Now, negative times negative is positive. That's why we have put positive 512. You divide by 2. Now, 64 plus 512 is 576. And the square root of 576 is 24, alright? Now, it will be negative 8 plus or minus 24 over 2. And we have to ignore the negative, because negative 8 minus 24 over 2, it will be negative 32 over 2, which is negative 16, and that is a negative. Measurements does not include negative sides, alright? Now, we ignore the negative part and use the positive part. It will be negative 8 plus 24 over 2. Negative 8 plus 24, it's like 24 minus 8, which is 16 over 2, 8. Now, that means the value of x is equals to 8, okay? If the value of x is equals to 8, you can test the value of x if it's correct by assuming x plus 4 is equals to 8 plus 4, which is 12. Now, 12 squared is equals to 144. That means our value of x is correct, right? Now, next we have to find the perimeter of this figure. And you know the perimeter of a square is 4 times length, or 4 times side. This side plus this plus this plus this. Now, we take 12 times 4. And 12 times 4 is 48. That means the perimeter of our figure is 48 centimeters.